Can you believe that a dropshipping store selling building block models is generating over $142,000 a month? And the craziest part is that the store is sourcing all the products straight from AliExpress. Let's look at an example together. This pretty cool, sleek race car model is sold for $116 in this website called 24builds.com. And here's where things get very interesting. Using ZIK Sales Tracker, I found that this product sold, look at this, 22 times in the last 30 days. Now, don't go anywhere. Check this out. The exact item is available for just $46.49 with free shipping on AliExpress. So let's just quickly break this down. After Shopify fees and excluding ad and operational expenses, this store makes $64 profit per sale. And then you take that multiplied by 22 sales in a month. This one product alone brought in almost $1,500 in profit. And here's the kicker. This store has 691 more products like this one ready for sale. If you are brainstorming dropshipping store ideas or looking for ways to scale your existing store, this video is exactly what you need. We're diving into the brilliant and totally achievable operations of 24builds.com. But before we dive into the case study, it's important to review the store's website. Look at this right here. This is the homepage. I don't know what you feel when you look at it, but I have to say it looks fantastic. It's clean. It's organized, it's easy to navigate. And the menu stands out for its clarity, instantly helping users find the building models they want. And then from the menu alone, it's clear that car models are the store's top selling niche, as they have their own dedicated section. And the cool thing too is that right after the Shop Now button, there's a social proof section, which is great for building trust. And then when I scroll down even more, the layout just feels similar to a fashion store, showcasing like plenty of products. And one key feature is the store's monthly subscription plan, displayed right here. And then we're gonna talk more about this later in the video. So for example, let's just click here on the product page. All right, so we have this model right here, Master of Monaco. The name is pretty cool too. The product pages, they employ smart strategies like the strike-through pricing and the low stock warnings. Why is that good? Because it creates urgency. And as you scroll down, this add to cart banner pops up, okay, right here. See in the corner? And also it works on the cell phone from the mobile. It's the same thing, okay? And this is a clever way to remind buyers that they can purchase anytime. And it's like make it much more easy, right? You just click there. Now, finally, one thing that I also want to talk to you about is the customer reviews at the bottom, because it provides the last bit of social proof to persuade shoppers. Overall, my friends, this store is well designed and buyer friendly. From the organized menu to the informative product pages, it's clear why this dropshipping store performs so well. Now that we have reviewed the store, let's just explore why selling building block models is such a brilliant niche. First, this niche attracts repeat buyers, meaning the lifetime value of each customer can be significantly higher compared to other niches. And second, there's an endless variety of building block models available, like especially in AliExpress, making it easy to add new products to your store. And most importantly, these products are cheap to source while maintaining a high perceived value, allowing substantial profit margins. You look at this product, it doesn't look cheap. The price that they charge looks pretty reasonable. With products offering high profit margins like this niche, you can confidently invest in paid ads to drive a high volume of targeted traffic to your store without significantly impacting your overall profits. As for marketing, the target audience is broad, yet easy to reach. right? Think about it. It's from parents who want to enhance their kids' building and learning skills to adults who enjoy DIY projects. This is one of the best niches that attracts a wide range of customers that are willing to pay premium prices for top quality products. It made me think, oh, it's from AliExpress, the quality is not so good. Well, we'll get there. We'll get there because we're going to go over the review and evaluation of these products in AliExpress. So Zikkers, we have reached the part that likely generates the most revenue for this dropshipping store, and it's the subscription model. Imagine starting each month with guaranteed sales from repeat buyers, and that's exactly what this store achieves with its subscription options. Look, it offers two plans. This mystery car for $30 a month, and then subscribers receive a car building block model delivered to their doorstep. And the store simply orders a new model from AliExpress each month. It's that easy. The other option here is the mystery build. And similar to the first plan, but costs $54 a month, here subscribers get a surprise building model of any type. This strategy turns a profitable store into a stable recurring revenue machine. And if you're considering adding a subscription model to your store, start by exploring payment providers like Stripe, Square, or others that support recurring payments. All right, Zikkers, if you're finding this video useful so far, don't forget to give a big like and subscribe to our channel. And here we share the best tips and tricks to help you boost your e-commerce business. And if you're thinking about starting your Shopify store, now is the perfect time. Shopify's trial offer lets you start with a free trial for 3 days, and after that, just $1 a month for the first 3 months. Don't miss this opportunity to kickstart your online business, my friends. After we have a better understanding of this dropshipping store, I'm going to use a strategic tool from ZIK Analytics that allows me to see data that Shopify does not share. And I'm talking about sales data, insights into the store's social media channels, the Shopify apps it uses, and much more. And for this, I'm going to use ZIK Sales Tracker. And all I need to do is simply copy the URL of this store like this and paste into the tool like this and click search. This data is a dream for any seller who wants to create a similar store or use the store's best practices. And the products are organized from the best seller to the least sold, giving clear insights into the store's revenue drivers. And then by clicking here on the store apps in this section, I can see the store uses 2 Shopify apps, one for collecting reviews and the other one for adjusting currency and language based on the visitor's location. And then this store currently has 691 listed items for sale, which is another strong indicator that it follows the drop shipping model. And when a product is sold, the store owner orders it from AliExpress, adds the buyer's address and details, and the supplier ships the product directly to the buyer. This eliminates the need for inventory and makes it possible to list a high number of products in the store. And another thing that I think is amazing about this tool is the social media channels, because ZIK also identifies the store's organic and paid social media channels used to generate traffic. And the idea for any independent store is to bring in targeted traffic that eventually converts into sales. And then by analyzing these channels, we can replicate their strategy to ensure the same high quality traffic. And to fully understand the brilliant operation of the store, dropshipping building block models from AliExpress and selling them at a higher price, understanding their social media strategy is key. ZIK identifies 3 organic social media channels for this store: YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So let's just review each one of them together. The first one right here, YouTube channel. And this store has created a few YouTube videos and shorts, but overall, the views on each are very low. And the channel has only 451 subscribers. And if I were creating a store in a similar niche, I would spend the least time on YouTube or skip it entirely because it seems to have a minimal impact on the store's success. So you can learn this already. TikTok, on the other hand, seems to have much greater impact. The videos are professional and like well edited, but what stands out is an older, simpler video. This easy to create video showcasing the product assembly process went viral, my friends. Look at this, more than 1.6 million views. If just 0.1% of those views converted into sales, that's 1,600 sales generated from a free targeted traffic. Viral TikTok videos like this one can just continue to drive traffic long after they posted. That's the beauty of having a few viral videos on social media. So Instagram is another high impact channel for this store with almost 72,000 followers. And this is a pretty decent number for a dropshipping store. Also, I've noticed that some of these store reels have reached over 250,000 of views, which means that's generating significant free traffic, and that's increasing the overall profit from each sale made in the store. In conclusion, TikTok and Instagram are essential for a niche like this. Videos don't need heavy professional editing to succeed. You can keep them simple with engaging content, and they can generate high views, strong engagement, and free traffic to your store. Now, I do see that ZIK has also identified a paid ads account related to the store on Meta. And this can give me valuable insights into the store's paid ads strategy. You see, using paid ads can be a great decision for products with high profit margins, just like the products 24builds.com is dropshipping. However, since this feature requires paying for ads, it's better to come prepared, especially if we want to run paid ads for a similar store. To do this, we can analyze the ads the store is running and apply its best practices. This saves a lot of time and a lot of money. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click here on the Meta icon. And then here we can see all the active ads 24 builds is running. And in general, it's better to analyze ads starting from the oldest active ads to the newest. And why is that? This way we can first focus on the ads that have been running for a long time, as they are most likely bringing good results to the store. And by analyzing these ads, we can understand what kind of creative and copy that works best, the best targeting strategies to drive converted traffic, which meta platform to focus on for featuring the ads. I'll scroll down here all the way down and focus on this ad that was created on October 24th. I can see that this ad is running across all Meta platforms. So I'm talking about Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. I'll click here, see ad details. And from what I can see, the creative type is a video, which looks like could have been created using a non-professional method. And the copy is excellent as well, appealing specifically to Porsche lovers. It's a very well thought on their side. And since the store is targeting Europe with this ad, we can review the audience it's aimed at. The ad targets a wide range of European countries with a broad age range of 18 to 65 plus. Now, next, I will sort the EU ad delivery data from the highest to the lowest reach. And from this, I can see that the audience interacting best with this ad is males from Italy, aged 25 to 34 years old. And I can use this data to target the same age group in other countries. To determine which countries I should focus on, I will use a free tool to guide me. It's this one, the Similar Web Chrome extension. And then once I open the extension, I'll scroll down here to the geography section. And here I can see the top 5 countries that visited this store. And this information provides me an excellent starting point for targeting Meta ads. I can use the data from these top 5 countries to refine my targeting strategy and apply it to the Meta ads campaigns for these regions. All of this data is incredibly valuable. It can save me a lot of testing time and money, helping me achieve results from paid ads much faster. We have gained a lot of valuable data about the store and now have a much better understanding of their strategy for driving both organic and paid traffic, right? If you're thinking about creating a store similar to this one, here's the tip. Start by adding only the best sellers from this store or any similar store. You do this instead of filling your store with a lot of products that don't have proven sales results. And for this example, let's just look at one of their best top selling products. We can choose any of them. Let's go with this one right here. This is the 330 piece classic elegant car, which sold 20 times in the past 30 days at a price of $59. To source this product, I can use the ZIK Analytics product finders. It's so easy. You just come here and you click here on this button. So many exact matches for the same item ready to source from AliExpress. So we can just choose one of them. Let's go with this one right here. All right, and look at that. This is the exact product with the same images. It's available for $24.19 normal price with free shipping. Plus, the buyer satisfaction is excellent. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. 74 reviews, a 4.8 star rating. That's almost a perfect 5 with 237 units. Based on this, I can confidently use this AliExpress seller as a supplier for this product. And from the beginning of the video, I said, oh yeah, it's AliExpress, the quality is not so good. Look at that. This is a high quality product. You can see here in the reviews, all right? So let's break down the profit potential. For every sale of this product before ads and operation fees and after Shopify fees, the seller made $32 in profit per sale in this product. Like, it is unbelievable. Before we continue and review more hidden insights from this store, if you find this video useful for your e-commerce business, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to me and to our work here. And let us know in the comments below if you're would like us to create more videos like this one, like these case studies, okay? And if you want to give ZIK Analytics a try and see how you can easily boost your e-commerce business, you can just subscribe for $1 for the first week. No excuses. Let's go. We're gonna be here with you all the way. All right, Zikkers. To complete the analysis of the successful dropshipping store, I want to focus on its layout. In other words, understanding what Shopify theme the store is using. And many people underestimate the importance of choosing the right Shopify theme for their store. But it's crucial to understand the big picture when analyzing a competitor. Every small detail can make a difference, and the right Shopify theme can help customers navigate the website more easily and improve the user experience, which translates to boosting the conversion rate. And to identify the theme, I'm just going to use a free tool from ZIK Analytics called Shopify Theme Detector. Okay, so with just one click, I can find out the name of the theme the store is using. So I just come here to Shopify Theme Detector, and then I copy the store's URL like this, and then I come back here, and then I paste into the search bar, and I click search. And look at that. This store is using a theme called Impact. And then the next step, simply search for Impact Shopify theme on Google, and then that's it. That's the exact theme that the store is using. And then I can consider purchasing it and applying it to my Shopify store if it aligns with my goals. All right, Zikkers, thank you so much for watching till here. As you can see, after analyzing 24bills.com, it's absolutely achievable to run a well-operated online business with products fully drop shipped from AliExpress. This store is proof of that, okay? Of also high quality products from AliExpress. If you found this video useful and helpful, please again, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe to our channel. All right, thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.